Emakhosini Camagu lisedile khanya amabutho singamabutho umhlambululi umme Onika singamabutho ngazibizana noma yini Emakhosini Sibonge. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, like and also ngicela ni commentani ama likes awalingane ne comment ukhulume ngiyabonga ukhuluma umbhedo ngoba futhi awuna right ukuthi ngikhuluma umbhedo angithi ungavula i-channel yakho mawuzwa ngathi ngikhuluma umbhedo ngoba ngisuke ngiyazi ngibuza ukuthi manje mawuthi mina ngazi ukuthi then sizokwazi ukuyenzani disagree to agree mina nawe angithi uzongikhiphela knowledge yakho nami ngikhiphele yami ngithi Emakhosini Sibonge please comment. And also sengizoyenza ama trips ami ke manje ngithi kune branch kuphi Cape Town kube ne branch esikolo sikaMoya kuba yi Cape Town, Eastern Cape, kube yi Northwest sekuvule enye ePitori. Lawo ma branch anisezi kimi kodwa kubalekile kuphume isporofito sokuthi kwamele ngifike kuzo zonke lezo indawo ngoba angikwazi ukuthumela abantwana bakaMoya ukuthi bongeza ngingakaveli lapho kwamele ngiyobonga abanikazi abanigezayo wemifula lapho so kuzoqala ngisazoyenza iraffle ngibuze emoyeni kodwa azobe aqala in next 2 weeks ukuthi ngiyofika eNorthwest noma ngiyofika eCape Town noma ngiyofika PE kuzodepend ukuthi umoya uthini ngaleso sikhathi. Please iyozoqala September kodwa angeke ngithi ngiza eCape Town bese nize mina ayihambi kanjalo ngiyisa umuntu emanzini ngiyohlambulula umuntu emanzini mase kaqale i-cleansing yakhe ekuqala sibulala wonke lo moya wamabhadi omubi nani ekuqala before siyoyenza imisebenzi emikhulu. It's either yohlanganisa idlozi noma yogeza idlozi noma kwenza lama abortion noma kuyoyenzwani whatever iqale esisolibona so kwamele ekuqalwe ekuhlolwe ekuqala kuyenza insebenzo zakho ekuqala ngoba whatever that you are going through ezokuyenza ukuthi ufune isikolo sikaMoya meaning kukhona izinto ezihindara your success or ezihindara amaphupho akho so we must start with you first. Ngoba kwamele senze imisebenzi yabantu abadala yedlozi sihlambululekile so ileyo nto mangizothi ngisiyaya ngiyeze Cape Town noma ePE you must know ukuthi kwamele uqale ngesikolo oqala ufunde ukuthi kuphahlwa kanjani mhlambe umlanjwana uphahla ngendlela engasiyona ubiza amadlozi akini bonke kwamele sikubonise ukuthi mawuzaleke ngendlela enje kwamele ukhuleke kanje uphahle kanje mawuzaleke ngalendlela enje kwamele kube kanje you understand because there was someone oye wangibuza ukuthi kenziwa njani uma uzelwe uwembethwe unless kukhona ama inkinga ozibonayo then there must be a solution so awukwazi ukuthi ulungiselwe into zakho zismooth mawuzalwe wembethe yes umntana wenhlanhla umntana onesiphiwo esithize kodwa unless makube baye bakuhambela phambili bayenza into udodi ngempilo yakho and then now that's when ke kwamele sikuzale kabusha ngayo ngokaMoya ke angithi ama Christians athi you must be born again nathi you must be born again uqalelwe phansi uzalwe kabusha ngeinhlambululo and now Sibonge I don't know ukuthi ngiyifake kule party noma ngichubeke ngiexplainele this one isikolo sikaMoya esabantu abacayekile abangazi lutho and nabantu abazi okuningi okaMoya but impilo yabo istakile isikolo sikaMoya asina gold strictly sikubuyisela ku foundation yakho whatever you are experiencing at this moment manje okuyinkinga yibhadi imimoya emibi kusuke kenzakalani kusuke kuyi foundation yakho not specifically ukuthi la madoda lokeza kima ne problem no wena imvelaphi yakho ku inale problem le oyifacile so you must face those demons ekuyi foundation lawo mademoni kwamele ukhiphe ubudemoni kubona ukuze babe yingelosi angazi ukuthi uyangizwa so isikolo sikaMoya is very important for you guys abathi ngistakile ubuye ephehlweni uyi-prayer warrior uyi-Christian kodwa ustakile ithi sibone ukuthi lakini kwayenziwani noma lakini kuyenziwani nge-foundation yakho. Now kukhona abantu abaseba experienced into zikamoya ababuye emaphehlweni abazitshela ukuthi bazi konke my rules my way when it comes to isikolo sikamoya ukuthi unamabhaye engaki uneshoba uzoba ku grade R cela ku grade R ngithi bantwana yeah grade R uzoqala ku grade R whereby since you are foreseeing ama problems akho Chifta yonke into nayo manje kamoya susa iBhayibheli susa iBhayi susishoba susa yonke into siqalela phansi ke manje sibone ke ukuthi ziyabuya futhi empilweni yakho na njoba ngisho ngithi abantu they think ukuthi isithunywa sempande sihlala enkonzweni there are things ekufanele uziqale ekhaya bakulungisele ekhaya for you to understand ichurch. Bona sizalwa sigula imikhokha yasemakhaya sizalwa sisey'inkingeni imikhokha yasemakhaya akulungiswe emakhaya then umuntu omnyama go to church you will enjoy church. Kodwa ke mina ngayenza iVice ngacala esontweni ngeza ngapha sekunzima ngoba mangiye esontweni angikholwa ukuthi khona umfundisi ongangikhona ngoba ngiyomtshela umfundisi ukuthi wena ukude noJesu ukude nomdali. Now, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Isikolo sikamoya, I don't need to see you like face to face up until swenzi cleansing yabantu abadala. What is happening? Ngicela igama lakho isibongo samama nesikababa sibheke ifoundation yakho ukuthi hamba kanjani. Masithola ngikupha inhlambululo yokukhanya kucala. Uzifise ukuthi hayi ngiyathandaza. Ungachiyo bengithi ngiyathandaza imimoya emibi iyakhathaza akunamoya wedlozi ehlala emahlombe imimoya emibi ensindayo ingakho manikhuleka nilokhe ningasakwazi ukuphakama noma uthi uyokhuleka ulokhe noma uthi uyophahla ulokhe noma into zakho makube azenzeki akunamuntu ovela thathwa iswe emanzini ayohlanjululwa kwamele ku diagnose eqala the problem ye foundation emakhosini akuyokhana please ngicela ukuthi ni comment